Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to begin. Click the Loom extension icon in your browser toolbar, then sign in with Google or Microsoft so your recordings link to your account. Once done, allow camera and microphone access. This is required for voice and face cam. Make sure to enable tab audio if you plan to capture internal sound. Otherwise, you'll only get microphone audio. Now select whether you want screen plus camera, screen only, or camera only to match your intent before moving to the next step. Next, refine your recording. Pick screen plus camera for picture-in-picture, or screen only if you don't need a face cam. Then choose the capture area, current tab for demos, full screen for apps, or drag to set a custom region. This ensures focus and smaller file sizes. Confirm which microphone and camera loom we'll use, and set resolution if available to match upload limits. Finally, toggle options like show clicks or when you're set, press record. Loom gives a short countdown so you can prepare, then use pause as needed and stop when finished. Once you stop, Loom uploads automatically. Review the video, trim the start or end, add a clear title, and copy the share link. If uploads or recording fail, first verify browser permissions for camera and mic, close conflicting apps that use the camera, and refresh the tab. If that doesn't help, restart the browser and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.